Hello dear students, welcome you all to this new English class. Today we will discuss about a fine topic, that is definite article the and its use. In our previous class we have already discussed the indefinite articles a or an. Okay, let's start the topic. Article the. The definite article the, it is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. Again I am repeating it, when the noun is specific or particular, either singular or plural nouns, we use the. In various cases we use the. First, we use the before a noun when we mention it for a second or subsequent times. When we use it for the second time or subsequent times, we must use the. Okay, here you see the examples. I bought a house and the house is quite big. Second, I saw a cat in front of her house. The cat was chasing a rat. In the first example we can mark that I bought a house and the house is quite big. Here the word house has been used twice. For the first time when we use the word house, we have already used the indefinite article a before it. A house, I bought a house. When we use the house for the second time, we have used here the definite article the. The house is quite big. Similarly, in the second sentence we can mark, I saw a cat in front of our house. The cat was chasing a rat. First time a cat and second time we have used the definite article the before cat. The cat was chasing a rat. Okay. Next, the second rule, we use the definite article the with superlative degrees. Manisha is the fastest runner of all. The fastest, fast, faster, fastest. Fastest is the superlative degree and we have used the before it. The second sentence, Rajesh is the tallest boy in our class. The tallest, tall, taller, tallest. Tallest is the superlative degree and we have used the before it. So, the rule is here, the superlative, with the superlatives we use the definite article the. The fastest, the tallest, the smallest, the biggest, the highest, the most intelligent, etc. Third rule, the definite article the is used before ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 21st, etc. For example, Tuesday is the third day of the week. The third day of the week. Third, ordinal number. That's why we have used the definite article here. The third day of the week. In the second example, he was born on the 16th January 1969. The 16th, ordinal number. That's why we have used here the. Okay. Next, rule number 4. We use the definite article the with some adjectives to indicate the general class of people. We use plural verb with them. Now you mark, the rich should help the poor. The rich, the poor. The rich means all the rich people. Similarly, the poor means all the poor people. They indicate the general class of people. You can mark in the second sentence, the blind depend on our support. The blind means all the blind people depend on our support. Florence Nightingale nursed the sick. The sick means all the sick people, and the wounded. The wounded. The sick, the wounded, they are in plural form. 5. We use the definite article the with some nationality adjectives to indicate the people living in that country. For example, the English are very clever. The English means the people of England. The Japanese are very hardworking. Here, the Japanese means the people of Japan. But here, it is very important to mark only English and only Japan. Without the, that means the names of two languages. Okay. Rule number 6. We use the definite article the before names of grade books and newspapers. For example, the Gita, the Bible, the Ramayana. They are the holy books, great books. Similarly, we can say the Times of India, newspaper, the Samaj, the Prajatantra, the Sambad, we can say. So, before names of great books, holy books and newspapers, we can use the definite article the. Okay. Rule number 7. We use the definite article the before nouns referring to a service system. For example, he is talking over the phone. I listen to the radio. Phone, radio, they refer to service systems. That's why we have already used the definite article the before the words. But when we say about the word TV, we can say I watch TV every day. We cannot say I watch the TV every day. It will be wrong. We use the definite article the before names of musical instrument. The piano, the guitar, the harmonium, the flute. Piano, guitar, harmonium, flute. They are musical instruments. We can say Mary plays the piano well. I am playing the flute. He is playing the harmonium very well. He does not know how to play the guitar. Rule number 9. We use the definite article the before names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountain ranges. The Ganga, the Mahanadi, they are the names of the rivers. The Pacific, name of a ocean. The Arabian Sea, name of a sea. The Himalayas, name of mountain ranges. The Vindhyas. So, we use the definite article the before the names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountain ranges. Clear? Okay. Rule number 10. Before names of countries which are federations or kingdoms. You see, the USA, the United States of America, the UK, that means the United Kingdom, the UAE, United Arab Emirates. But most countries don't take the article the before their names. For example, we cannot say the India, we cannot say the China, we cannot say the Japan. Okay. Next, before names of island countries or islands made up of smaller islands. The Andamans, the West Indies, cannot say the Sri Lanka, the Australia, because they are bigger island countries. So, bigger island countries go without the. We use the definite article the before names of astronomical bodies. The sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, the planets, the space. They are the astronomical bodies. So, we have used the definite article the before them. Before singular nouns to represent all of that kind. For example, the cow is a domestic animal. The cow, that means it represents all cows. The cow is singular, but it represents all cows. Similarly, the tiger is a dangerous animal. The tiger, that represents all tigers. Next, we use the before a noun when the hearer knows the person or thing we are talking about. For example, the headmaster called the peon and asked him to ring the bell. Here, both the speaker and the hearer know the headmaster and the peon. And the bell means the school bell. Next, rule number 15. We use the definite article the with the name of some unique structures. The Taj Mahal is very famous. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, they are unique structures. That's why we have used the definite article the before them. Okay. Next, now we would know omission of articles, nouns without articles. First, institutions, school, college, hospital. We don't use the article the when we are there or visit it for the basic purpose for which they are made. Like school is for study purpose, college is for study purpose, hospital is for treatment purpose of the patients. If we are going there for the basic purpose for which they are made, then we don't use the article the before them. Okay. For example, Mihir goes to school. That means Mihir is a student. As a pupil, he goes to school. School is for study purpose. So, before school, we have not used the article the here. The next line, his father went to the school with him. That means his father is not visiting the school for the study purpose, but to escort Mihir. Second, Prachi is in hospital. That means Prachi is a patient. The article cannot be used before hospital here. In the next sentence, I am in the hospital to attend her. I am in the hospital to attend her. Here, I am not a patient, but I am here as an attendant. Next example, we go to church on Sundays. That means we go to church on Sundays to pray God. It fulfills the basic purpose. That's why we cannot use the article the before church. In the second sentence, the tourist went to the church. That means the tourist went there as a visitor, not to pray God. I go to bed early. That means I go to bed early to sleep. The cat is on the bed. Here it does not mean that cat is sleeping here. It is just sitting there. Second rule, nouns without articles. Mode of transport, bus, train, boat, etc. When we talk of transport, in a general way, we don't use the before them. When it refers to a general way, we don't use the. But when we talk of a specific journey, we must use the or a. For example, we go to school by bus. By bus means general mode of journey. I took a bus or the bus to my village. Here, it refers to specific journey. That's why we have used a or the before bus. Third, travel by train is safe, general mode of journey. Next, don't get on a or the running train. A running train or the running train. That means special journey. Third rule, omission of articles, nouns without articles. Specific time of the day or night. When we mention exact time of the day, or night, we don't use the before the time mentioned. For longer period, we use the article the. You see, exact time. It is hot at noon. The sky is beautiful at sunset. Owls and bats fly at night. But for longer duration of time, we can say we traveled during the day. I get up early in the morning. Okay, dear students, here is an activity for you. Fill in the blank with the wherever necessary, otherwise put a cross mark. Number 1, I am going to blank hospital to meet a friend. Here, the right answer will be I am going to the hospital to meet a friend, because here I am not a patient. The hospital is meant for treatment the patients. So, I am not going there to get treatment. That's why we can use the before hospital. Number 2, did you come here by blank bus or by taxi? As it refers to general mode of transport, that's why we cannot use any article before bus. So, the right answer will be did you come here by bus or by taxi. Number 3, the criminal was sent to blank prison. Here the right answer will be the criminal was sent to prison, not the prison, because the prison is made for the criminals. The purpose fulfills it. So, we cannot use any article before prison. Okay. Number 4, it is difficult to see at blank night. So, the right answer will be it is difficult to see at night, not at the night. Dear students, how did you like this class? You can write your comments on the comment box. Okay. You can also give your positive suggestions. Thank you all for watching this video. Thanks.